What we're going to do here is I want to show you how to use Excel for finding the mean, the median, and the mode. And this comes from chapter 2.3, and it's the average medical college admission test MCAT scores for a sample of 7 medical schools. And here are the 7 different scores. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to an Excel spreadsheet and I'm just going to type the numbers in. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight them, and I need to move this over. And I'm going to go to data, and when I go to data, I'm going to see that I can sort these, and so I want to sort them from the smallest to the largest. That won't matter how you sort them or whether if you sort them, but I'm going to sort them because I like to see my numbers lined up like you normally would. And so you saw that sorted them. I just highlighted the whole column and went to sort, to data, sort A to Z, and sorted them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to formulas because I'm going to need some formulas. The first thing I want to find is the mean or the average. So what I'm going to do is anytime you're going to enter a formula, you must put an equal sign first. So then I'll go to more functions, statistical, and I can do average. I think mean is down here also. Maybe not, so you have to use the word average. So average, and my numbers are in cells A1 through A7. So that's why you see that here. It's telling where I'm picking the numbers up from, so that's where I want to pick them up from, and it's going to average all of those 7 numbers. So I'm going to click OK. The mean is 10.97143. So now I'm going to do the median. I'm going to start out again with my equal sign, and I'm going to go to more functions, and I want median, so I'm going to go down till I find median, and I'm going to click on that, and this time it just says A8, and so I need to go in and change that to A1 colon A7, and you'll see that it always puts the formula up here. That f of x means the function formula. So then when I click OK, you're going to see the median. So now I'm going to the mode, and so I'm going to put my equal sign again, and I'm going to go to statistical, and I'm going to go down to mode. And again, I have to change the cells that I'm going to pick up because I want to use the same cells again, A1 colon A7. It doesn't matter if you don't make this a capital A. I just kind of like the way it looks that way. So I'm going to click OK, and there's my mode. Now, sometimes I think you have to be careful with the mode because if you have more than one mode, it will only pick up the first mode because it's a computer. It doesn't realize there's more than one mode. So once I look at these, the mean and the median are very close to each other. The mode's a little bit bigger, and that indicates to me that the mode is not in the center. If you go back to this part, I've written here the mean and the median represent the center of the data, but the mode does not, because the mode is a number that appears most often. It doesn't have anything to do with the center of the data. But anyway, that's how you find descriptive stats using Excel.